Hello students, this is Vitthal Anwat, and today we are going to discuss upon our next topic of the chapter number 3, population policy and environmental issues related to population. In this chapter we are discuss upon the nutrition. What is nutrition? The nutrition means the every day the human beings have taken some energies, and related with these energies the human life has been uh, concerned with the all activities. So the what is the relation of this nutrition and the world population? As we know, the nutrition and population change are immediately linked to the several ways. Firstly, the population ability to nourish itself a major factor in fertility and mortality rates. Every country is depend with the each other for the food, for the nutrition. So that impact has been shown into the fertility and mortality rate of the every country. The maternal nutritional status affects the all kinds of the things, and this fertility then mortality, like as fertility means the number of baby born in ratio of the 1000 people. So it's observed during the famine, drought, then another natural calamities, the birth rate drops markedly. In addition, the good nutrition reduces maternal, neonatal, and child mortality. If we provide the good nutrition to the population, that time you can observe into the society, the maternal or the means mortality and mortality rate has been declined because of they receive the pure nutrition for the mother and the baby also. Then a situation of fever pregnancy in turn they reduce the risk of maternal death. If these ladies have give the appropriate nutrition, that time there is a less risk for the maternal death of the baby or also this woman. Well nourished mothers are more likely to survive the childbirth and deliver healthy babies for the several reasons. Once again, we discuss here the pure nutrition has been important for the healthy baby. So, these are the important factors of the nutrition. Same as the prevention of the stunning among the girls allowed them to reach their full growth potential, including that the pelvic girdle and helps reduce the risk of both obstetrical complications and low birth weight. In the general society, means girls' nutrition is comparatively boys is lesser recorded into the all over the world. Micronutrients program reduce maternal mortality by as much as 44% via reduction in hemorrhage, sepsis, anemia, and other types of the things. And that's impact to reduce birth defects, fatal brain damage, and risks of the stillbirth. Means these are the things which are the responsible for the mortality into the pregnant woman and the small babies. So nutrition is the most important part into the not only these small boys, girls, and the pregnant women, but overall, if we compare India's nutrition with the all over the world, that time it's remain very less. So after birth, infant that they receive good nutrition face better chances of the survival. After birth, there is a right of the every child to receive a good nutrition. So the malnutritions malnutrition means underweight children are 8 times more likely to die than the well nourished children. Mean there are the 8 times chances of these underweight children lost their life comparatively well healthy childs. The vitamin A programs have been demonstrated the reduced mortality rates of the children under 5 years of the age in both Africa and Asia. Then breastfeeding, especially when exclusive for about 6 months after the birth, and is not only the important for infant nutrition but also for the reducing fertility. Means these are the all things have been way as well known. It's related with the food feeding for the babies. The lactation amenorrhea here is the process whereby the breastfeeding suppresses the hormone necessary for the fertility, and this method of the family planning provides a protection comparable to other methods. Means 98% effective with the typical use and up to 0.5% couple years of the protections. In addition, breastfeeding stimulates the contraction of the uterus after birth, reducing the risk of complication associated with the delivery. These are the some importance of this breastfeeding food nutrition to the baby. Not only does the nutrition affect the population growth and the reproductive health, but population and demographic change also have influence by the people's nutrition status. It's a really important sentence here. The nutrition is a play important role in population growth. In India, after 1968, you can find out the population growth has been rise because of the this green revolution is responsible for that one. So rising population, for instance, threats food availability in many developing countries, especially those in which population are expected to double in next 20 to 50 years. Population growth is sure to go hand in hand with increased urbanization. By 2020, population in urban areas of the developing countries where the malnutrition is commonplace many double to reach up to 3.4 billion. This is a huge amount. In many poor urban areas like as diarrheal diseases and other diseases are concerned with that one because of the poor food hygiene, inadequate water supplies and waste disposal, poor housing and the decline many kinds of the facility. So the breastfeeding and the corresponding increase in the bottle feeding. Other demographic changes also affect people's quality of life and nutritional status. For instance, the number of people over 65 years of the age has increased substantially in most countries. According to estimates, about 60% of the world population over the age of 65 lies in developing countries. This situation has significant impact on the types of health and social service people demand. The health sector must cope with the increased incidence of the non-communicable diseases that occur with the aging. And the transaction of highly processed market food coupled with the reduced the physical activity compounds the effect of the age, with the result that The obesity is now affecting 250 million individuals worldwide, and cancer, diabetes, and coronary heart diseases means these all happen due to the poor types of the nutrition. So the nutrition is a play important role for any baby's birth to the end of the human beings. Thank you very much.